Yeah, good morning kabayan. Yes, no, by now andito ako sa may Club Laia Premier District. Ayun, ang land ko. Oh, okay ba? Gumagana ba ang aking microphone? Ayan, sinek ko lang. So, papunta tayo doon sa naka-tent ngayon. Okay, yun yung linear pool, linear 233 meters linear lighted pool. Of course, this will be the highlight talaga ng development dito sa may Premier District. Aside from that, meron pa yung hubs, no? So that will bring more people in. So they're creating demand talaga para there are more reasons people will stay here aside from the beach, no? Hindi lang yung beach. May mga conventions and of course, sports event. And yung draw talaga nito, the centerpiece literal is the 233 meters lighted linear pool. So nag-research ko kung ano mga linear pool na existing sa buong mundo, no. So tingnan natin from that end, ayun, no. So nakikita niyo yung building na yun, that is Casa de Nanay, that is south from that entrance all the way doon sa talaga sa length ng subdivision yung linear pool. So impressive 'yon. So most of the reference point talaga natin will be linear pool kasi most na mga na-sold na lots along this linear pool. So, okay. So, this is the block 31. Ito naman block 30. Ito yung cul-de-sac. Okay. So, ang ganda ng pagkakaayos. So, yung tanong ko rin, malamang naman to. Wala nang, na to, hindi na babakuran. So, from here, kung may unit ka dito, diretso ka na doon. No? Pwedeng diretso ka na dito doon. So, ito, lot, 6. Okay. Ito naman, lot 1. Kasi, 10 lots eh. So 1, 2, 3, 5, walang 4. Okay, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So ito yung 11. Okay, of course, ano ba maganda? Magiging facing north or facing south? Well, in terms of init, hindi na no? Kasi wala nang morning, hindi na natin i-consider yung morning sun o sunset. So maganda talagang property is north-south orientation. So it's matter of gusto mo ba yung magagaling yung sea breeze doon? So, for obvious reason, siguro hindi mo na makikita unless na ikaw una magpapatayo nasa third floor, may masisilip ka. Pero later on, syempre, yung view mo ng dagat, limited na no? Okay, yes pala, no? Limited na. Okay, so by now, okay na tong 1, sold tong 1, sold na yung unit 2, lot 2, block 31, lot 2, so dito tayo. So, this is a 300, muna na, 300 square meters, block 3. So, ito na yung mga available. This one, block 3 and block 9. Ayan. So, ito, pag nagpatayo ka, north siya. May view dito, rin to, mountain range. So, ang mountain range dito is from north to west eh. Okay? So, on this side naman, hill. So, ang ganda, no? Talagang, ito lang, may puno. Mangga siguro. Okay, so yun nga, no? According to DNR, pag tinanggal mo yung puno, I mean, kailangan mo humingi pa ng permit eh. Tapos palitan to ng 3. Okay, 3 the same kind. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3. Ito na, 5 din corner lot is 6. So malaki-laki, around 390 square meters. The price for that one, so today is March 2025. So nasa around 12.3 million. Yun yung list price niya. Okay, so by now ito naman yung block 30. Okay na rin, no? And so andito tayo sa West St. Tropez Drive. So ganda ng ginawa nila, no? Ganda ng nila develop. So sa lahat ng dulo may cul-de-sac. Yung paikot na yan. Okay, so ito yung main road, the Premier Loop. So paikot lang naman yung Premier Loop. Tapos Eco Trail, yung perimeter. Okay, so yan nga yung hillside. Block 31. Okay, so ito tingnan natin. Ito yung idea. So okay na rin. Okay na yung drainage natin, sewage. May abang na rin mga plumbing. Okay. So ito yon. So mas mataas, no? Parang i-maintain nila yung elevation ng yung mismong ground. Tapos tinasa nila yung sa road, sa sewage. And ito, no? Andito tayo sa sidewalk. So ito talaga ideal. ideal ano talaga, ideal master plan na community. Okay? Yun naman yung makukuha natin di ba? Of course, safety and security, and of course yung safety rin ng ownership mo, yung mismong titulo. So this is a malinis na title, meron na rin under the name kasi naka-subdivided na to. Ayun yung mga advantage natin. And of course, kasi nga we are a part of a beach town. Hindi lang to isang residential, it's part of the beach town. Kaya in terms of capital appreciation, maganda. Tapos in terms of, yes, yun ang iisipin mo Mark, pag okay ba dyan kabayan, no? Mark, of course, no? Right now, marami tayong efforts na ginagawa para to create demand, no? Para yung tao pumunta dito. Of course, matagal ng pinupunta na San Juan, numbers don't lie. Before the lockdown, no? That was 2017, nasa 500,000 tourist tayo, local and international dito sa San Juan, no? And last year, 2024, umabot na ng 2.5 million. So it's really growing. Almost 1 million stayed overnight. So ibig sabihin lang yun, yung demand for accommodation, nag-i-increase. Okay? So, yeah, of course, pwede mo pa rin talaga itong kabahay maging bahay. And yun nga, parental mo. But for this one, pwedeng short-term leasing. Ito yung difference nitong Premier District ng Club Laia sa Playa Laia. Playa Laia kasi is no to short term. So minimum of 30 days na. Actually, pagpasok mo sa entrance, makikita mo yun. O yan. So wala pa talaga tayong makikita. Sinisimula. Oh, ano yun? Ano yun tayo, no? Sewage treatment plant. Oh, yun. May sewage treatment plant. Oo nga, ayun. Oo nga, yan. Oh. See? So we're into We're into talaga, sustainable living dito. Okay? So, congratulations kabayan. Eto na. Beach Town. Hey! Yan na. Tingnan natin. Last look. Okay, and that will be the Oras Pinnaker. Ayan, sa dulo na.